Next morning, I end
Started
up,
again.
yes, I finish everything and I post whatever I was thinking to post the night before.
That's
But
amazing.
I still try my best. And there is, like I said, always room to grow and always room to get better. I'm not the best, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. I'm human. I have to take care of myself too and of
course.
my family. And they know that I like it. I love what I do. And they love when they see me coming home and with fresh new set of
And
lashes.
happy.
Maybe you'll be like, Mommy, I like your lashes. Can I touch them?
That's so beautiful.
You're listening to the Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
Well, I'm very proud of you, Anna.
Thank you.
In those 3 years, you did a lot. I'm so happy the journey that you had
Yeah,
and how you started.
And I couldn't do it without my biggest supporters, you and my husband.
You know, that's why I'm here.
And I really appreciate it. And everybody who needs it, I really suggest go to Cosmina. She's not just your trainer. She's your mentor after that. And to be honest, working in this industry and knowing more and more people who are doing this, they're not gonna do that mentorship for free.
Nobody's doing this for free. Mentorship or asking so many questions. I'm always, a perfect example. I'm always here because, those are the things that I learned on my own when I started. I had no support. I took trainings with like big brands, right? So after the class, I had nobody to ask questions. I'm like, oh my God, what I'm gonna do now? Like, there were so many curves, there were so many lashes, what I'm gonna figure out? I had to figure out everything on my own. So when I started my in-person trainings, I said, everything that I didn't receive, everything that I didn't learn, those are the things that I want to make sure that my students are going to. Anna, if you texted me like 11 p.m., I will answer 11 p.m. That's how I am.
Or the next morning when
I'm always there,
available.
no matter what. And even though, let's say you don't text me or you don't say anything for the next couple of weeks,
I can tell you're texting me. Is everything fine?
Exactly.
Are you doing okay?
Exactly.
Do you need any
because
help?
I know everybody. As soon as I open my Instagram, as soon as I open my, social, I always see people. This. If I don't see something from you in the next couple of days, not even weeks, I'm like, let me see. Is she okay? So this is something that you can tell I really, really care of my students, because I want to give them the care that I haven't received, right? So
and it's pretty valid and valuable, and I
that's how
appreciate
we
it.
grow, I want
Supporting
you
each
to
other.
be 100%. I want you to be more than I am. I want you to be like 3 steps farther than me. I want to see your success, Now, tell me 3 things that you recommend for beginners/artists. What should they do? What should they focus? Where should they focus?
For those who already took the class?
For people that are at the beginning, let's say beginners/artists.
So beginners/artists, I would suggest 3 main things. Practice every single day if it's possible, an hour per day. If they did classic, just to focus on classic first, to understand the placement, the retention,
isolation,
the shapes,
glue,
everything. They have to understand what they work with first, of course, and then to work on practicing taking pictures also of the clients, and of course to be present on IG. It doesn't matter if you're not taking yet clients. It's still important to show people the products that you're using, right, how you're training, how you train yourself on a mannequin, for example, or just placing lashes.
Right.
If you do volume, of course, you can practice while doing volume fans. And I think these are the main three things.
Yeah, focus and practice at first.
Practice and
I always
to
say
be visible on IG.
quality over quantity.
Always.
Always.
Yes.
Trust me, you're gonna get there. You're gonna get there 1000%. But first, we have to focus on the correct start.
Yes.
If you know how to, correct placement, correct isolation, movement, positions, how to hold the wrist, how to hold the back, how to put your position, because those are the things that will give you great results in a long term.
But not everybody is lucky to have a good trainer from the beginning. So whoever wants to start cheap is gonna cost them a lot after, because they're gonna go to
100%.
different other trainers, and then they're gonna start asking themselves and the trainers, oh, but I used to be taught like that. Oh, but it's a different technique. So it's good to
choose
know
the correct
and choose from the beginning who is the right one for you and who can
100%.
actually teach you how to do things, not
Right.
just to
100%.
and to be next to you and
That's
position you and to
huge.
help you how to sit on that chair.
Move, how to
Yes, because you are learning how you're gonna work in your career or in
your
next
long term,
years or long term. So you want to work properly, because if you're not confident and comfortable when
From
you
the
were
beginning.
working, in couple of years you're gonna be like, oh, my hand is
right.
it's not moving anymore, or my back
You're
got
gonna
stuck.
get so tired.
Yes, so you have to have the right technique and the right background.
1000%. 1000%. So start slowly. You're gonna get there. Slowly, with the correct, movements, with correct training, and you can get there 100%. You just need to
Absolutely.
put your practice together. What's your next goal, Anna?
I have a lot of goals.
We always have goals.
Right now I'm working. I actually finished my trainer's course. I'm waiting for the diploma. And of course, before that, I was thinking to have my own line of like products,
brand.
tweezers, my own brand. And but I want to hold a little bit. I know you are
Step
behind.
by step.
I know you're always here, so if I need,
here.
Even if I'm gonna start having trainings, I know I can count on you. You can provide me all the products that I need.
100%.
And this is my next move, let's call it this way. But we want to teach people all around the world, and I think that's the main goal. And
you're gonna get there.
We're gonna get there. We have to be confident and make others feel confident in this industry and this job. And I don't know, I just love being around it of beautiful women. And trust me, those who are coming to you, they have a life story. So it's always good to connect, to interact, and you never know, one of your clients can be your best friend.
You never
at one
know.
moment,
Of course.
or your trainer.
or or your clients can become your students.
Why not?
I had a couple of clients. They were my students too. Now they're my clients, they're my friends, they're my lash clients, like you.
I was pushed by my clients actually to take this trainer's course, because they're always telling me, like, you explain us so much, the aftercare or whatever you're doing. You explain us what you're doing. You don't want to become a trainer too.
That's how you know you're ready.
And especially because I used to be a teacher back in Romania for English and French.
So you know that type of,
Yes. So,
for teaching.
Yes. So I love teaching. I love lashes. So hand in hand, we're gonna be power.
So now let's start teaching.
Yes, can't wait for this
next journey. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your story. Thank you for explaining everything, the way you started and where you are right now. Obviously, in 3 years, you're like...
Thank you for always being behind me
And I'm
and
gonna be.
always helping.
And I'm
I
gonna
really
be. I'm
appreciate
not gonna
it.
go anywhere. Thank you so much, Anna, for being here.
Always my pleasure. You know that.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosmi's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.